Troubleshooting common septic tank problems. A septic tank is essential for managing household wastewater, but it can develop issues over time. Ignoring problems can lead to costly repairs and environmental hazards. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are some common septic tank issues and how to fix them. 1. Slow drains and backups. Causes: accumulation of solid waste in the tank. Clogged pipes leading to the drain field. Inadequate bacterial activity due to excessive chemical usage. Troubleshooting steps: inspect for blockages in sinks, toilets, or main pipes. Use a plumbing snake or hydrojetting for minor obstructions. Schedule a professional septic tank pumping if solids are near capacity. Limit chemical cleaners that kill beneficial bacteria, and consider adding septic-safe bacterial treatments. 2. Foul odors around the tank or drains. Causes: overflowing or full septic tank. Cracks in the tank or broken vent pipes. Poor drainage leading to anaerobic decomposition. Troubleshooting steps: check the sludge level and arrange for pumping if needed. Inspect vent pipes for damage and ensure they are free from obstructions. Improve surface drainage to prevent excess moisture from saturating the drain field. 3. Standing water or soggy soil near the drain field. Causes: clogged or failing drain field. High groundwater table interfering with percolation. Excessive water usage overwhelming the system. Troubleshooting steps: reduce water consumption by fixing leaks and spacing out laundry loads. Aerate the soil and improve drainage if groundwater levels are affecting the system. If the drain field is clogged, consider installing a new one or using a remediation technique like bioremediation. 4. Gurgling noises from drains. Causes: blocked vent pipes restricting airflow. Partial clogging in the main sewer line. Tank nearing full capacity. Troubleshooting steps: inspect vent pipes for obstructions, such as nests or debris. Use a plumbing auger or enzyme-based cleaner to clear minor blockages. Schedule a septic tank inspection and pumping if the tank is full. 5. Sewage backup inside the house. Causes: severe blockage in the main line. Septic tank reaching maximum capacity. Structural damage in pipes or tank components. Troubleshooting steps: use a drain camera to locate obstructions and clear them accordingly. Pump out the septic tank if sludge levels are too high. If backups persist, consult a professional to check for damaged pipes or a failing drain field. 6. Excessive algal growth in nearby water sources. Causes: leakage from a compromised septic system. Overloaded drain field leading to nutrient runoff. Faulty septic tank allowing untreated effluent to escape. Troubleshooting steps: inspect the tank and drain field for leaks or breaches. Consider upgrading to an advanced treatment system if nutrient levels are excessive. Maintain proper tank pumping schedules to prevent effluent overflow. Preventative maintenance for long-term septic health. 1. Regular pumping: pump the tank every 3 to 5 years, depending on usage. 2. Water conservation: spread out water usage to prevent hydraulic overloading. 3. Bacterial additives: use septic-safe additives to maintain microbial balance. 4. Proper waste disposal: avoid flushing non-biodegradable items or harsh chemicals. Addressing septic system issues promptly ensures longevity and efficiency. By following these troubleshooting steps, homeowners can prevent major failures and maintain an environmentally sound wastewater management system. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.